Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by fixing one clear translation and a short commentary. This reduces confusion. Once chosen, schedule 20-30-minute daily sessions so learning becomes habit. Make sure to have a notebook and a highlighter at hand. These let you mark key verses and jot immediate questions. Start with Chapter 1, read one small section, listen to an audio reading, and write a single-line summary. This first action locks comprehension and creates momentum for deeper study. Once you have momentum, break each chapter into small verse clusters of 3-5 lines so you can explore meaning without overload. Read the verses, then consult commentary to see different angles. This shows you why translators disagree and how context matters. Make sure to note Sanskrit terms and their common translations to track recurring themes like dharma or yoga. After comparing interpretations, write a brief synthesis sentence. This forces you to translate insight into your own understanding. To finish each study cycle, summarize the chapter into 3 concise takeaways and 1 personal application so you convert knowledge into practice. Then use a weekly 15-minute review plus audio replay to strengthen memory. Repetition with varied input improves retention. If you get stuck on a verse, pause and reread surrounding text, consult another commentary, or ask an online teacher or study group. This prevents confusion from snowballing and keeps your progress steady.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.